Good morning, it's another day. We slept for around 10 hours and today we're going to get to Ubud, to our new hotel. We have a hotel in the center of the city, so you can walk to the markets and the stores, but we also have a view on a little forest with possibly monkeys in it, so that's really cool. But for now, let's have some banana bread. And by the way, thank you guys for following us. The support is amazing. We already have 320 subscribers in like 2 videos. We started with 180 before we went to Indonesia and we already have 320. So terima kasih. Everyone, thank you very much. Taxi arrived. Let's go to Ubud. Mom, are you afraid? High in the mountains. Oh, durian.
Yes.
Oh, do you like the durian?
Yes, I like.
Ah, nice.
It only smells bad.
We just made it by the next hotel and we're just walking through the alley. We are right in the center of Ubud, which is really nice, so we can walk to restaurants, go for a massage and other stuff and try the local food. But we're also a little bit in the jungle here, which is really nice. We made it to the next hotel room. It is beautiful here. This is the room. Fleur's on the toilet, so I will show the bathroom in a minute. This is our room. It's really nice. Beautiful paintings. A big bed. Always nice. And this is the view of our balcony. And here's the swimming pool, which is also really beautiful. You have a nice view here. And they actually have warnings, so there are some monkeys here in the area. So they say that you shouldn't put your food or drinks on the balcony and leave it, because then monkeys can possibly steal it from you. And this is the bathroom. It's really nice. And I love these big shower heads, they are amazing. This is the view from the bathroom, which is really good. So we are staying here for 3 days, which is really nice. This is my parents' room, and this is the view. It's beautiful. Right to the pool. It's nice. Fluffy! Are you happy with the 230 subscribers? Yes! Yes! Subscribe! Watch out for these. It's beautiful here. Now we are going to walk for a little lunch, because we're hungry from the 2.5 hour taxi drive. The whole time we haven't seen any tourists at all, but here are a lot more tourists. Japanese, English, a lot of tourists. Monkey. Another monkey.
Oh, kijk eens.
We are looking for some food, but there are not a lot of food things here. Oh. Pineapple smoothie. Hey! They're stealing it. Time for lunch. Panini and bacon and cheese. It was 510k EDR, so that's like 30 euros for a stupid small sandwich. What the heck? Next time we are looking for local food, but to be honest, this is all tourist area, so we don't find any cheap tourist stuff. But this is crazy, man. 30 euros for a freaking lunch. What the heck? Just got some snacks from the market because we are still hungry. And it's raining a little bit, so we wanted to go to the pool, but now I think we go to the room. And let's see what we can do tomorrow and this evening. But we want to eat some local food. It's still warm though, so we can hang out outside because it's really warm. But it's raining right now. But probably it will be dry in like 15 minutes or so. This brownie is delicious. Do you like it, Fleur? And thank you guys, because we already have 329 subscribers. Party time! We are sitting here and you can see a squirrel over there on the electricity cord. Oh, what a cutie. Ah. Wow. Only in Indonesia you see someone with a poncho cleaning the room. Well, it's raining. Like in the Netherlands we never do that. But I mean, he's busy, so why not, right? He's keeping it all clean and tidy. Respect for that man. And right now we are looking for some tours we can do tomorrow. We are looking for a tour for the waterfalls. We are also looking for the Mount Batur tour. I really want to do that, but you have to be picked up at like 1 or 2 in the night, so we don't gonna do that this night. And we are also looking for maybe a bike tour or something else, so let's find out. My father and mother had this room, but the room was a bit smelly and it just didn't seem fresh, so they got another room. Yeah, I think it was more down. We are walking to the room, but it's raining, so we got a nice umbrella. And Fleur saw something online that you could make your own jewelry, and it's literally across the street, so we're checking it right now. Fleur wants to make some jewelry, some silver jewelry. Let's find the design. Okay, this one actually fits really great, so maybe I will make this one as well, or buy it. Let's see. I will make a ring as well. Let's melt the silver.
Okay, now the melting is starting.
Closer than this. Wow, you can see it melt.
Then we put inside the water to make it cool down.
Oh wow. Yes.
Let's go. Nice.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah,
It's really cold.
it's really cold already.
The big one first, and then we move the second, and then we move it the third one. And we have to push like this.
Ah,
At an angle. So
perfect angle.
then you roll it.
Draaien? Turn it around.
Yeah, nice. Very good.
Thank you. Goed bezig zijn. Ja.
Yeah. Perfect. Pull fast and hard.
Yeah.
One time.
Wow. For your power.
No,
Oh.
Fleur. She has more power in her arms.
Press harder. Harder press. Yes.
Dat is echt wel zwaar.
And pull.
Ja.
Yeah.
Whoa. Use the power.
Easy.
Yeah, for you it's easy.
Wow, strong power.
Okay.
No,
Really-
it's too small for me.
Okay, Sven, show your power.
Strong power. Wow. Wow.
Pull hard.
Het is echt
Yeah.
een begin.
Power. Nice.
Let's go and twist it again.
Now it's time for Fleur ring. Do you like it?
Yes.
It's nice, right? And it's only 25.
Slowly, slowly. Jodoh.
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
It's nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Good.
Yeah, nice. It is almost finished. Melting it again for a little bit and then put it up in the acid and in the water.
Good.
Mm,
Smaller.
No, it's good. It's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Watch out for your finger.
Yes, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, check the size. Too big. Yeah.
I think, yeah, misschien a little
Yeah,
bit.
make it smaller. And then you cut here. Okay, and then you cut here. A bit straight. Okay, like that. Cutting. Yeah, good.
Yes.
Good?
Good.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect.
Color all
Oh wow.
Okay.
Nice. Yes.
Good choice. Good, yeah?
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
More polish. Shiny.
Oh, what?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, and then the ring is gone. Yay.
Yeah, like that.
And then the ring is...
Yeah.
Black.
So it doesn't turn black. Oxidation. Put it out. Nice. Nice. Cleaning the inside.
Nice.
It's getting silver. Nice.
Up, black, yeah?
Nice.
Sure.
Nice.
Thank you. Wow, bling bling. Wow, shiny. Yes, done.
Nice. Yeah, perfect.
Oh.
Thank you.
More polish,
Wow.
yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
You can clean some other rings. Nice job, Fleur. Thank you.
Okay.
Terima kasih. Ultrasonic cleaner. It's really nice. They're all clean again. Go to Ubud Monkey Forest Silver Class. It's really nice. Guys, you should honestly go here. I mean, it is $4.50 per person, and we gave him a little bit extra. So it was we gave him 500 because he was really friendly, and I mean it's really beautiful. I will show you in the hotel. Nice, mom. My mom got two nice, pretty bowls to have dinner from. See sucks. Go check that. What did you buy?
A gift for Zoe.
Okay, so the buyer was asking 70,000,
Yeah, this is
which
like
is like
4
€4, and Fleur bought it online and on AliExpress for like 80 cents. But now we were saying 20k, and it was like 25. And then Fleur was being Fleur. She was thinking for 4 minutes, and the buyer was saying, okay, 20 is okay. So we bought it for 20. That's why you should always negotiate, and you get it for less. Time for dinner in a small garden. It looks really good. Time for dinner. They got tiny bunnies. What a cuties. Oh, and they are not afraid of you. Oh wow. They are not even afraid.
Het zijn huiskonijnen
They're so
hoor.
cute. Oh, they're so cute. So cute. Big rabbits. It's a really cute place. It's a little bit dark, but it's really cute. And we are very hungry. So let's eat. They got anti-mosquito perfume here. And my mom was saying, should we change it with our own because it smells so good. You said
That
it.
was a joke.
No, you said it.
But it was a joke.
Wow, Sprite with a bowl of ice cream. Nice. Looks good there, Mom. Nice. And that is on the bear.
Yeah.
I really love ice cream, so this is the perfect drink for me.
Deze kan ik wel hier laten.
So, what do you have then?
Bobby.
hoe heet het nou? Nasi.
Ik knip het. What do you have there?
Take two. Nasi goreng, kampong.
What do you have on?
I have chicken satay.
That's nice. What do you have?
Chop chai.
Chapchai? Ooh, nice. I got mee goreng with ayam. Nice.
Maar die is echt heel lekker.
Ik zei het gisteren al, hè?
It's
Zei
really
het al
good.
zelf van.
I love
zei
it.
net al.
Another huge beer for Mr. Eric. Do you like it?
It's for Bali,
Kijk,
it's
dit is wel wel
special.
steentjes.
Nice,
maar-
I
nice.
like it.
Got an Oreo ice cream right now and we are going back to the hotel so I can edit my videos for you guys. Mom was walking past.
Ongelooflijk.
We were walking by past the hotel, so we were walking back. Now my mom is walking past it again. This is the small alley of the hotel. The food was delicious. Today a baby gecko just jumped on my t-shirt like here. This is the ring that I've made and it's really beautiful.
This is my ring.
Wow. Nice, babe.
Thank you.
Today was really amazing. I mean, Fleur found that you could make jewelry with silver in the city and it's literally across the street. So we just had to walk for like 2 minutes and we just walked in and we could make the jewelry ourselves and it was really great. Right now it's almost 10 p.m. in the evening. So I will just edit a video for maybe 1 hour, take a quick shower, and then tomorrow is a really nice day because tomorrow we are going to do a bicycle tour. We have to pay 500k EDR, which is like 25 euros. And then we will do a bicycle tour for like maybe 3 or 4 hours in the morning. We leave at 8 a.m. We will ride between the rice terraces in Ubud. So we look really forward to that. For now, I see you guys tomorrow. By the way, we have 350 subscribers, which is amazing because yesterday we had only 300. So terima kasih for all the new subscribers. Thank you. Welcome to the videos. And I hope you really love the new videos. And I see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.